Dramani Mahama, when he was in opposition, can say, Akufo-Addo don't want to sign the LGBTQ plus bill because, according to him, Nana don't pese obe pass bill no dear. Ye to abamani be the president obeduru ya obe sign bill no amanipa and mema omo ne mada and to me nkoso ewo Ghana maimu papa ne ka sa asem no enam so ma Sam George no ebo won homodene edi trumu sem no beto MPP amanyokuo ekọ mo se MPP amanyokuo supporto trumu efo enema ye ka se da bi entesa sa trumu ho nsem no something very dedicated. Se wo sori se wo ya ban na wo de emra bi enforcement bi ekoto trumu ho a it means to say you are actually fighting the white man or more the supremacy on us. John Mahama said that. In fact, John Dramani Mahama on his campaign tours said something about trumu. Yenti na yemra.
Judy, my faith is against LGBTQ. Me Assemblies of God me. If we say the faith I have, Empany say Bema Bewari Bema Oba Bewari Oba. Bill a war parliament. Omunyam passing. But say Abai actually says Omu passing president on sign. If he say the attorney general like can say Bibi a private members motion. Obetimi pass a bill with a private members motion, but enise edekabia ebeto abanso. And based on that technicality, President Asegna said Seba on signing. In terms of the idea between Parliament and the executive, Omoshe na Omokan, Ebia Sombeshe bill Numa, Nomashe Bibia, it puts a charge on government na Omoye Nuifriwa. Then it opens the way for the president to be happy to sign the agreement. And so, me personally, Benjin this and I a man is a man, a woman is a woman. Me believe it say nipa utimi sorry ka say me feel wo me muse me oba. And so yeah wo me be mind me cause no my oba. They I mean nature created us man and woman. And Nyame boy, you know, he knew what he was doing when he created us like that. And so if you ask me, my personal faith is against it.
Papa ne kan ye pa o se de ben odo no ase John Dramani Mahama de so babeye the president of the republic saber no obesan kura na onwene ho na ontiase de ntia yewura na na do so onye dan on sign saber no enti ono de oba se de tie bia no saber no obesan atenensa e de afiri ho na da bia me kasa me ka asem bi e de kire Ghana for se yewura John Mahama no enye ne first time oben akonwa nie bra na yewura Mahama ne yedi nkomo no na onye obi a onim the corridors of power, what it means. He knew everything. He was aware of the geopolitics, how it functions. He was aware of all these issues. John Mahama on Adam for a friend and Soromo, or he gave for president. John Mahama's friend is Andy Soromo. Yeah, who is so and damn pam or more trapichena. Mankesa omo afọ omo hu omo dampam. So the man knows how complicated it is, that issue. But onim say won nkrofo bi o ho aye from mole supporters Jimmy adokru wonti no. So Castle only against that that people will go there and vote for him. John knows, say, by saying so, no, he is going to win heart of the people because that time, Kwasi Ampanyini Sam George and Nkrofo at TSC dream our motium everybody they say Akufo-Addo must stop LGBTQ plus in the country. So many people were all about that issue. No, Mr. Ghana, Dabia say, we Ghanaians, until say we want to hear a proper campaign message, you know. We will always be fooled by the stupid men because any partner about no, we are not ready to hear that one. We are ready to hear unnecessary campaign messages. Bema bisi obedi ne yonku tunu mu aye wasem efa wo ho. Is that your case? Se oba bisi ono de opede afọ na ompede de aho edene a eno no ye wasem. But people went out there to vote because of Obise. He is against Trumu and Obi a president or Nyemra say they crucify wo. We went out there to vote based on distance. Abraham menu yinenim say yenkura bebre enso amanfo benom ebi ni ho. Enso amanfo benom ebi ni ho. Common drainage system ayekum nkrofo drainage gata etwin sufi ekogu baabi. Enye adwuma wo man nom. Malaria ne ntontom na awie na kuyen. Ordinary Ghanaian, Kwasi Ampanyini bi ote akra ase bi oba bi ote gata da ho ntontom ewom etumi kum nipa du. He is not talking about those things so. His interest is about homosexuality. Yan kan say trumu asem. Ene ye wasem. Bema bi no so no pe bema ato eye wasem. But we sat down for them to use that one to convince us to go and vote for them. And now me no ka say Yewura Mahama nya tumi wie ye no. De na ye kan en bede bi kire mo say trumu nsem na nya de bi ehu hia Ghana nei. We are thinking about different things no. And Yewura Mahama ankasa be gina bonten kan kire wo say trumu asem no ehu hia mpo say wodi wani bedi a kire. Me say this man has actually crafted a well-crafted lies, deceive messages. Messages are commanded the minds and the brains of men, foolish men, low IQ men. And they bet to me afri nipa da sani ano ye adwuma pa ne nsam. Amoji to me na so sourcing and omo ye. Krono akese and omo bo. While the ordinary person is suffering. Now, enkwasi akeka no so no kan bia utuminya punishment wo ho. Tie me ye pa. Mi ya samoro no me wakwa papa. Enkwasi akeka o kan edruba bi onya punishment. John Mahama knew say Ghana for ye Jimmy nti o kan kwase asema ni kwan say a leader of a society a campona we will still vote for him. Let me explain to you. A leader of a country, you lead everyone. And found so ye gay on ye gay. And found they are your leader. So you as a leader, no, you actually fact check your words out of your mouth. I bet me against some group of people in the society, no. You have to be very, 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 very attention on that one. But Mahama say Ghana for no mudi ne more, so he can say every stupid thing. But no knowing say on the international platform, they are watching and they are hearing. Abusia. Now no John Mahama say okwa akwaji doctorate degree ewo University of Lagos. Deɛ na si yɛ nkurɔfoɔ a mo adwene mu dɔ no sɛ woyɛ nipa bi a wonsɛm fata sɛ wobɛyɛ kandifoɔ because woyɛ discriminatory wode nkyekyɛmu ba nipa mu wonka nsɛmpa mfa nipa nyinaa ho enti yɛmfa degree ne mma wo gye sɛ woba abɔnten bɛpa akyɛw tie me yie paa. The international communities has forced John Mahama to come out and apologize to that society LGBTQ plus. No? International society na pam edija atuna chi se onko pacho. Se sa nkwasi asem na okan no onka bibie mo na brabom. Ena papa na bati se odwan ya oya ba bewu so yeso edwan funu aka akra na wawu. Ena obebe gyina ho. Ena enkrofo no so mo ye the civil society say from say no. Odin trochromo. He will not tell you the truth why he is out there now begging for forgiveness. Because the international communities have warned him. Say, so when now if you bring out any law of that type, we will shut down your economy. I'm telling you from here. Hey, who are you to tell the Western world to say you don't want trumu krum? Abra the Western world don't want to invest in krum. I will share a video. No? Listen to this video.
If we were in an unconstitutional government and I had unlimited powers, all the people against whom allegations are made, we face
and governance in the country.
Regarding LGBTQ plus issues, it remains a highly emotive and sensitive issue, even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter. Nevertheless, the private members' bill introduced in Parliament has sparked a complex and sensitive national conversation. Our position is guided by our Constitution, respect for human rights and dignity of all persons, and the need to preserve social cohesion. While there are strong and differing views within our society, we believe that these issues must be addressed through democratic processes, our core values, dialogue, and the rule of law. I'm also mindful of reactions from our international partners, including the recent developments such as Lincoln University's withdrawal of their honorary doctorate. These developments underscore the importance of continued engagement and mutual respect, and of situating our national decisions within our constitutional and cultural context. Government is intensifying efforts to combat galamsey, promote sustainable land and water use, and strengthen environmental governance. We look forward to closer collaboration in safeguarding our natural resources for future generations.
Yewura Mahama ka asem no de share nasum de share ne hwenem because onim se nim guase na dɔɔso ɔse trumu asem no ade bi very complicated enam so ma University of Lagos for se omo kɔbɔ na abasobodini omo atwe asan because waka nkwase asem. Instead of Mahama to come out and appeal and apologize to Ghanaians and say he has deceived Ghanaians, you know. A friend in Crofona, na maybe video be actual. I will say, oh dear, be an ashisho monum to a monka or moanum to no. Wakokane ho kakrebi di asheto kromuse. Sadiano, eya debia, e was a yemfa ye constitution, no, and then manage no. Aye constitution so kire say enipa bia said the otie no fata bia no o deserve say obenya obetumi aye de ono efiri say eye de opɛ Yewura Mahama enti enne na wasua saade we Yewura Mahama And the one who said the Constitution of Ghana is higher than every law in the country. I feel what you say. And Tibrana now to opposition now kesa Akufo-Addo percent trumu for emerge Ghana mfaso. Ebra now ne Sam George mu tiem se trumu no. Akufo-Addo na se Ghana for nye trumu no. Sabre no na unim said the Constitution was a superior to any other law in the country ana. And I know him said there is a particular article where Constitution no more actually say enipa bia said any soon in bind to you as a president must to protect his life. Now him what him was here. Have you seen the disgraceful moment of John Mahama? Now him there he went out there to do these stupid things with his for and now for the CEOs. Because that CEO for no CEOs for no. They are not for Ghana. They are for their stomachs. Sam kwasi afuwe ya. Ena bra Akufo-Addo te konya so. Organize a press conference. Said Nadu should sign the bill. Sam kwasi afuwe ya binom. And organize a demonstration against Galamsey. And the LGBTQ plus, your friend is saying, bill no, yen sign ye. When we say kwasi appointing to be a demonstration, that be adentia, maybe can't want so much. Galamsey has tend to be worse. When we say Sankrofo will be a sea about or ye demonstration. Fishermen and Mwakwa by na park, also Mwakwa, Mammy Monica, and Mwakwa by Yepa. All of them are silent. But do you know the reason why they are silent? Do you want to know the reason why these guys are so silent?